grew at 7% in the third quarter of this fiscal, the quarter in which demonetization was announced. The government expects the country to grow at 7.1% in this fiscal. This means that India keeps the tag of the fastest growing major economy in the world, since China clocked 6.8% growth in the December quarter.
Defying fears of a sluggish growth, India's economy expanded by 7% in the third quarter of the current financial year. It was feared that demonetization announced in the middle of the third quarter on November the 8th would have had an adverse bearing on the economy. But fears were unfounded and numbers show a robust and growing economy. The strong Q3 numbers were due to good growth numbers in farm and mining sectors. In the third quarter, farm sector grew at 6%, manufacturing sector grew at 8.3%, and mining sector grew at 7.5%. Overall, the CSO, or the Central Statistics Office, expects the country to grow at 7.1% for the current financial year.
From my reading of the third quarter numbers is that in the third quarter, we find that sectorally, agriculture and mining do better than in the first two quarters. Insofar as manufacturing is concerned, the number is mixed. It is better than the second quarter, but not better than the first quarter. Trade, hotels and restaurants, again, is better than the second quarter, not as good as the first quarter.
Information and Broadcasting Minister M. Venkaiah Naidu has lauded the GDP numbers. In a tweet, he said that happy that GDP growth for Q3 at 7% beats all analyst estimates, shows robustness of economy after factoring in path-breaking demonetization. Meanwhile, Economic Affairs Secretary Shaktikanta Das said that GDP numbers negate the negative speculations on demonetization.
The process of remonetization has also progressed well, and as they say, it is near complete today. Is that agriculture sector has shown very robust growth at 6% against 4.68%, which was the projection earlier. Manufacturing sector growth at 8.3% is again very satisfying.
CSO also marginally revised upwards the GDP estimates for the first and the second quarters to 7.2% and 7.4%. The GDP numbers come on a day when Paris-based think tank OECD said that India will grow at 7% in financial year 16-17. In the third quarter, India grew at 7%. This is the same period in which demonetization was announced. Though some sectors took the brunt, by and large, India remains the fastest growing major economy in the world. Clearly, in a world where low growth is the norm, India remains the star performer. With camera person Jay Shankar, Siddhant Sibal, DD News, New Delhi.